Hey guys, Mike with Napleton's Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Today I just want to show you guys this infotainment system on a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. You get a full 360-degree view. You can actually pick what view you'd like to see. Not only will this vehicle actually park itself with these self-parallel parking and perpendicular parking features, which we'll show in another video, but it actually shows you the trajectory of the vehicle. So as you're making a turn or you're backing up, it'll actually show you at what point you're going to actually go off the road and where the front of your vehicle is going to go and where the back of your vehicle is going to go based on the steering wheel location. So you can access this at low speeds. And there you go. I'm in reverse and it has side sensors. So if I were actually to be backing up at that time, the brake system would have taken over and stopped the vehicle. So just one of the many safety features that the Chrysler Pacifica has. Come down and check us out. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for all further tech tips.
Second to none since 1931.